Urhobo
Hello, our dear Guọnọ family. It is another day to learn our mother tongue. Today, we are talking about a sentence. I love you in Urhobo. Let's clear up a common mistake people make. They say, "Miwe Guọnọ nwe," thinking it means I love you. Let's break it down. Me, I, wo, have. Eguọnọ, love, as a noun. Nwe, your. So, "Miwe Guọnọ nwe" actually means I have your love, which really means you love me. But in I love you, love is a verb, it's an action. And as we have said before, all verbs in Urhobo start with a consonant. So, what is the correct way to say I love you? Me Guọnọ nwe. That is it. Say it with confidence. Me Guọnọ nwe. Did you already know this? Or are you just learning it now? Tell us in the comments.
Urhobo